back to another video. So if you're new, my name is Ashley and I am a filmmaker, designer, photographer, and overall digital creator. And today I want to show you a day in my life while working from home. I currently do not have a job, but as I'm actively looking for work, I have some client work and freelance stuff on the side. So that's mainly what we're going to do today. I've got some graphics to work on and some videos that I want to push out by the end of this week. So there's a lot to do. I'm going to try and be as productive as I can be and just dive right in. I am actually working as a contract designer for this startup company. So I'm doing a couple of graphics for them today, and then I also have a couple meetings to hop into. So it's gonna be a packed day. So I'm about to hop into a quick meeting right now. I actually have sort of a job interview with this startup company. I am about to interview right now, just doing a little bit of prepping, but it should be fun. Yeah, definitely. I appreciate you taking the time to talk to me today, and I'm excited to see where it goes. Thanks. Just got out of my interview. That was actually really fun, really chill, and I'm excited to see where that one goes. But yeah, now I'm just gonna dive into editing some videos and working on a couple of projects. So, see you in a bit. Hi! So my biggest task this week is editing this video for Sandmark. They reached out to me a couple weeks ago to film a cinematic video with their anamorphic lens. It's really cool. Went to San Francisco to film for a couple days, and so I'm in the process of editing that now, and I'm really trying to get it out to them by the end of this week, so kind of hustling with that one. And I can't wait for you all to see the finished product.